This is gonna be my go-to lunch if I'm busy working all day. Now it's so simple to make. It's got like a nice sweet aromatic tone to it. These days we've been working from home a lot, so why not spend that 10 minutes of your lunchtime to make yourself an amazing, easy, tasty stir-fry. First of all, get your pan or your wok ready. I'm gonna add a bit of oil to it. You can use any type of oil you like. Make sure your whole pan is lightly covered with the oil. Let's throw in the vegetable first. There we go. I'm just gonna give this a good stir. Next, we're gonna add in some rice noodles. Give this a good stir. Next, we're gonna add our brand new sweet soy sauce. Give this a good stir. Now turn down the heat to low while you're doing this. This is done. We're gonna turn off the heat and we're gonna start plating them. These are some toasted sesame seeds. I'll drizzle a bit more of our sweet soy sauce. To my favorite part, time to tuck in. This is gonna be my go-to lunch if I'm busy working all day. Now it's so simple to make. It's got like a nice sweet aromatic tone to it. Now if you want to make it even tastier, just add a dollop of Mak Tok's fire chili paste to it. Bring out a nice, sweet, fiery, smoky tone. Hope you guys like this recipe. If you've got any questions or suggestions, just leave them in the comments down below. I'll see you next time. Jumpa lagi!